Well, where are we at? Wednesday, boys and girls. All right, our fluency. Again, we're going to look at some teen numbers. We're going to say them the say 10 way, okay? All right, on my slap, ready? Yeah, 10-3. 10-3. 10-3. All right, ready? On my slap. Yeah, that still stayed 10. 10, 7. And that 7's pretty easy to see in here as a 5 and a 2. Okay, so 10, 7. All right, ready? On my slap. Right, 10, 5. That was pretty easy because we saw that 5 already. Yeah, 10, 5. All right, let's try one more. Ready? On my slap. Yeah, 10, 9. All right, let's look at today's learning goal. We are almost finished Module 5. All right, so let's look at our learning goal. So we're Module 5, Lesson 23. All right, go ahead, read what you know. Yeah, think about and model, show. You know that word now. Yeah. Teen numbers into, what number? 10 ones, some ones. Yeah, so I can think about and model teen numbers into a group of 10 ones and some ones. So we're going again to look at how we can do this different ways. We can use a what? Yeah, we can use a number bond. We can use number sentences, okay? So if we're putting together the parts to get that whole, we would use blank plus blank equals blank. If we already know our whole number and we want to show the parts, we're going to kind of take that whole number into parts. We put the whole number first. So blank equals blank plus blank. My whole number, my parts. And if you already did your reading lesson today, this word is decodable to you now because we're working along I in reading. If you didn't do your reading yet, that word is hide. Yeah, use our hide 0 cards. All right, we've got some work to do. Let's get busy. All right, so I'm going to tell you about a story about Amir. And Amir went into the basketball gym to look for some basketballs. And Amir found 10 basketballs on the basketball court. And he found 4 basketballs on the bleachers. Okay, so I've already gone and I've created circles, which is kind of neat. Basketballs are spheres. So I'm showing his group of 10. Here's his 10 basketballs he found on the basketball court and his 4 basketballs he found in the bleachers. So let's go ahead. I want you to touch and whisper count and tell me how many basketballs he found all together. So go ahead. Make sure you're counting them. I bet some of you did it just like this. You already knew that was a group of 10 and you counted a lot. Yeah, great job. You're getting so ready for first grade. All right, on my snap, how many? Yep, he has 14. So let's take a look at our number bond. So in our number bond, we're going to take our whole number, 14, and we're going to put it in the whole part of the number bond. And that's the part that has the 2 paths attached to it. All right, let's go back and look at one part. So he had a what part? Yeah, that's a 10 group, right? We see that right away. He had a 10. And then how many left over? How many extra ones? How many did he find in the bleachers? Yeah, he found 4 in the bleachers. Okay. So let's look at that as a number sentence. And we have 2 different ways. We can put together the parts and find out our whole. Let's do that first. So what are the parts again? Yeah, we had a 10 part that was on the basketball court and yeah, a 4 part from the bleachers. So we're going to say 10 plus 4. What was our whole number? It was 14. So here, we put the parts together to get the whole. Now, when we write a sentence like this, all we're doing is taking that whole number and we're using the big word decomposing, taking apart that whole number to show the parts. So in the number 14, we know we had a 10 part and we had a 4 part. Remember I said we're going to look at it in hide 0 cards? Yeah. Well, hide 0 cards are kind of like exactly when we say it the say 10 way. So there's my 10 part. What's that part? Yeah, my 4 part. So we can say that number 14 as 10, 4. Remember, in the number 14, that 1 is showing actually a 10. But that 4 is showing us the other part within that number, that whole number 14. So we can say 10, 4, or we can say 14, right? All right, let's try another one. You guys worked really well on that one. All right, so we're gonna begin it from scratch here. All right, so every day Mrs. Hannigan tries to go for a walk. It's good for my body, it's good for my brain, it's good for my soul. And where I walk is kind of near a farm in the city. And yesterday I saw 10 geese and I saw 6 cows. Yeah. So I saw 10 geese and 6 cows. So I'm going to use circles. I'm going to show my 10 geese. Remember, staying organized in math is really a good idea. So I'm going to show my 10 as a 10 frame in 5 groups, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do they look like geese? No, but that's okay. They don't have to look like geese. My little circle dots are showing, they're representing 10 geese that I saw. Yeah, they were some loud 10 geese. They were honking and... All right, so 10 geese. And how many cows did I say I saw? Yeah, I saw 6 cows. 6 cows, okay? They were pretty interesting looking. So I'm going to show my 6 in the 5 group way because that's really organized. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. I don't want to go over here, okay? And I also don't want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because that's not the 5 group way. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. What are we going to do first? Number bonds or number sentences? Oh, I heard somebody say, let's try number sentences since we did the number bond first the last time. Great idea. So we know we can write our number sentence 2 ways. The first way, we take the parts and we bring them together to show the whole. And the second way, we take the whole and we decompose it or take it apart to show the parts. All right, let's get busy. Go ahead, tell me my parts. What am I going to put into my addition sentence here? That's my first part. Yeah, 10. Those 10 geese. What's my second part? The cow part. Yeah, 6. All right, go ahead and tell me how many animals did I see at the farm? Again, some of you were saying, that's already a 10. I can count on 10, 11. Keep going. Yeah, I saw 16 farm animals yesterday. All right, let's show it this way. You already did the work up here, so it's just a matter of figuring out where it goes. So I need my whole number first. Here, we're going to decompose it. We're going to take that whole number apart and show the parts to it. So what's my first part? The geese part is 10. And the cow part is 6. All right, you ready to show it in a number bond? All right. So we know we have our whole number, and then we need our parts. All right. Let's do the parts first, okay? Let's do my geese. Yeah, 10. My cows, 6. If I saw 10 geese and 6 cows, how many animals did I see at the farm? I saw 16. All right, our last part is to put it into the, what are they? The hide zero cards. Right. All right, so you see my what part? My 10 part there. All right, what part do I need? What's going to cover that hide zero? What's going to hide the zero? Yeah, I need my 6. So 16, the say 10 way, is 10, 10, 6. So we're going to hide the 0. We have 10, 6, which is 16. So boys and girls, and if your grown-ups are there, they're hearing this too. When we're working in our math like this, and we're really looking for our team numbers, and being able to figure out that it's a 10 and some 1s as the part, you are really setting yourself up super well for first grade math, okay? So keep working really hard. You guys are doing super jobs, and I'm really proud of you. Let's go on and look at our work. Okay, boys and girls, so in your work today, you will see you have a story up here about Robin and her apples, okay? So you're going to draw the apples, okay? You don't have to draw apples, all right? You can draw circles or dots. That's perfectly fine. If you want to draw apples, go right ahead. But when you're done, I want you to complete the number bond for that. And then the number sentence. Bonus points if you can do 2 number sentences, okay? All right, bonus points. And then you have the story here about Sam and his trucks. Again, you're going to show them. You don't have to draw trucks. I know for me, trucks would be a little hard, but I might want to draw them. I could just draw circles or dots, right? So once you're done that, come on down and do your number bond and a number sentence. Again, bonus points if you can do it both ways. And then you have a story about the class with 16 bags of popcorn. Yeah, you don't have to draw bags of popcorn. Again, you can draw circles or dots, okay? If you want to draw a bag of popcorn 16 times, that's up to you. Then you're going to write a number bond and an addition sentence, all right? And again, bonus points if you do it both ways. All right, guys, go ahead and get busy.